Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we're going to discover the best zero commission trading platforms and apps available right now. These platforms are changing the way you trade by giving you access to the Forex, stocks, and even crypto without the burden of commission fees. Each one comes with unique strengths that suits different trading style. Whether you are focused on advanced charting, automated system, or fast execution, stay with me until the end because by then you would know exactly which zero commission platform fits your trading style. Now, the best zero commission trading platforms. Before we explore these platforms, let us explain what zero commission trading actually means. Now, zero commission doesn't mean trading is completely free. Platforms still make money through spreads, which is the difference between the buying and the selling price of an asset, which what is means is that you won't pay additional fees on top of the spread for each of the assets or each of any of the assets. This can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars per year depending on trading volume. Now let's examine the best platform that offers the cost efficient approach to trading. The first platform we're going to talk about is the MetaTrader 4. And MetaTrader 4 remains one of the most trusted platforms in the world, especially among Forex traders. It's known for its stability, flexibility, and a vast library of automated trading tools, which you use MT4 with a zero commission broker. You pay no direct trading fees on major currency pairs. The only cost is the spread, which is the difference between the buying and the selling price. This can this is especially attractive if you trade frequently, as every cent saved on commission adds up over time. One of the MT4's greatest strengths is its support for the expert trading. The expert advisor program that can trade automatically for you based on preset rules. If you are interested in algorithm trading, MT4 ecosystem is unmatched with thousands of ready-made EAs and custom indicators available for downloads. This makes it possible for you to automate even complex strategies, reducing time reducing the time you spend monitoring the chart. However, the MT4 is showing its age. The interface, while functional, isn't as modern or intuitive as new platform. You will also notice that its primary focus on Forex and CFDs, it only focuses mainly on those, with limited support for other asset class like your stocks or cryptocurrency. If you want a platform that is dedicated to Forex and automated trading through MT4, though MT4 is still hard to beat. Now, the assets that you can upgrade to would be the next platform we are talking about, and it's called the MT5. The MT5 is also known as your MetaTrader 5, is a next generation platform for the same developers. It builds on the MT4 strengths while addressing some of its weaknesses. Like the MT4, the MT5 is available with zero commission brokers, meaning you can trade your Forex without paying a direct fee. But the MT5 goes further, offering improved charting, advanced technical indicators, and a more modern interface. A major improvement in the MT5 is its support for multi-asset trading, meaning you can observe, you can check, you can be looking at one or more or three, two or more pairs at the same time. but you can trade not just the forex or the CDS but also stocks, futures and even cryptocurrencies, all from the same platform. This is a big advantage if you want to diversify your portfolio without switching between different applications. The MT5 also introduced hedging accounts, which allows you to open multiple positions in the same instrument. Sometimes MT4 doesn't offer that. This can be useful if you want to employ more advanced risk management strategies. The platform also supports more order types and has a built-in economic calendar, which helps you to stay on top of the market moving forward. While the MT5 is more advanced than the MT4, it hasn't fully replaced its sorry, it hasn't fully replaced the MT4. Many brokers are still not offered on the MT4 and some traders prefer its simplicity. But more brokers are offered on the MT5 and some traders prefer it for its simplicity. But if you want a single platform for trading multiple asset class with zero commission, the MT5 is a solid choice. Now the next platform we're going to discuss would be our TradingView. The TradingView the TradingView has redefined what traders experts from charting and social analysis. It has redefined this and is an upgrade to the MT4 and MT5. Unlike the MT4 and MT5, the TradingView is not primarily an execution platform. It is a web-based charting and analytics tool that becomes the industry standard for technical analysis. You can analyze your stocks market, you can analyze the forex market, futures, crypto, index, bonds, and so on and so forth. What makes the TradingView stands out is its charting quality. The chart is clear, responsive, and packed with advanced drawing tools. You can customize them to your liking, save the templates, and even share your analysis with large TradingView community. The social trading features are another highlight. You can follow other traders, view their published charts and ideas, and even receive notification when they post new content. This creates a learning environment where you can see how successful traders approach the market. The TradingView also supports the Pine script that is a programming language that lets you create custom indicators and strategies. The Pine script is designed to be user friendly, so even if you're not a programmer, you can use this to build and backtest your own tools. However, the TradingView has a main limitation of execution. Why you cannot commit why you cannot connect it to so many brokers for trading, the execution process is not as robust as on dedicated platforms like your MT4s and the MT5 or the cTrader. Many traders use the TradingView for analysis and switch to their broker's preferred platform trading for actual taking of trades. Now the next platform we're going to discuss is called the cTrader. cTrader is a modern alternative to your MetaTrader, known for its transparency, speed, and intuitive design. When you trade Forex with a cTrader broker that offers zero commission, you get direct market access (DMA) with tight spreads and fast execution. This is especially appealing if you are a scalper or a high frequency trader. This platform interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can customize your workspace, use advanced charting tools, and access level 2 market data futures that often is missing or less polished on your MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The cTrader also offers automated trading through the algo. It perpetuates algorithm trading platform while it doesn't have the vast library of a third-party EAs that the MT4 does. The C algo is powerful and integrates seamlessly with the main platform. The risk management is a strong point for the cTrader because it has features like the one-click trading, advanced order types, and detailed trading statistics. It has a detailed trading statistics. You would also appreciate the transparency. Each trade shows the exact spread and commission, if any. So it is detailed to the core. However, the cTrader is less widely available than the MetaTrader 4 and 5, and some brokers may not offer all assets of its class. It is best suited for traders who value speed, transparency, and a modern interface. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you would never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.